हाय गाइस वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। आई नो मेरे को बहुत टाइम हो गया है पोस्ट करे हुए एंड आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर दैट। आई डू अपोलोजाइज फॉर माय लैक ऑफ कंटेंट, बट आई एम सॉरी। आई वाज रियली हार्ड एट वर्क and I couldn't get some time, but today man, I have a video for you. So today I'm going to tell you about the top cafes in Dharamshala. Yeah, you heard me right. Now, I thought कि मतलब अगर मैं ट्रिप पे गया ही हूँ, you know, everybody can tell you about the tourist attractions and everything, but पूरा टाइम तुम कितना ही घूम लोगे tourist attractions, especially for an Indian. So I thought I would show you the best views or the best kind of food you can get in different cafes because of course you are going to explore them, and that's the reason why I made this particular video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Do put it in the comment section below which ones you want to visit or which ones do you recommend to other people. I'll be happy to see that, and hopefully I can make more content soon. So the first one we are going to start with is Cafe 360. Now to be honest, the best thing about this cafe is of course the view. As you can see, यहाँ पर तुम्हें city and mountains का दो separate views मिलते हैं. This dish which you're looking at here is supposed to be like their signature, like very good dish, which I can recommend. I mean, it was fine for a Maggie wali dish, it was kind of good. And again, you can see the view and understand how it is. Best thing about this place, it's very isolated and has a very nice drive through the forest. Speaking of isolated, here is Toral Cafe. Now, on first look, it doesn't look like much. Basically, इसके पीछे एक mountain है जिसका नाम Toral है, and that's what on the basis of which it has been named. But it has a very beautiful view of a riverbed going side by side. वो तुम्हें majorly cafe से इतना अच्छा नहीं दिखेगा while on this ride, as you can see the riverbed. And of course, weather पे depend करता है when you can see more water, and of course the view can be better at that time. It totally has a separate timing for that. I have put a video from the cafe as well, as you can see. But yeah, it is also very isolated, and I'm sure like for a morning breakfast this can work very well. Next comes the Nick's Italian Kitchen. Now this is located in the main McLeodganj market, so you'll easily come across it. This main selling point are these cluster of flowers which they have, which give a very good vibe to the place. Even the mountains cannot overpower this flower view, and I feel like this can be the best location if you want to go on a couple's date or something like that, kind of peaceful and very colorful in terms of the flowers as well. Here comes one of the most popular cafes I think in this list, which is the Illitrati Cafe. It is supposed to be a library themed cafe, and best thing about it is that it gives you a very modern feel. You feel like you're just going on the outskirts of Delhi or something like that, with a very good view of the mountains. Of course, best thing is to get that balcony seating, which will be kind of hard, but if you can, it's worth the time and effort. Along with that, of course, you can have a book, have a cup of coffee, and I think you're set for the day. Now, when we talk about night scenes, I would recommend the Jimmy's Italian Cafe, mainly for the view as well as the food. Like, this cafe does not miss. To be honest, मतलब इस कैफे में स्पेसिंग भी तुम्हें काफ़ी अच्छी मिल जाएगी. If you're a group of friends, you can sit in this particular area which I'm just showing you. Along with that, in terms of food, I would definitely recommend the Quattro Formaggi pasta. अगर red sauce में मिले तो there's nothing like it. I've never had a pasta this good, especially while traveling. Now coming back to the cafe, it has a very modern artistic type of feel. Let alone that, the best thing about this is the view, and especially at night. As you can see the entire city glowing, and not only that, but on a full moon light such as this, you will find an amazing view, and you can get very good time lapses entire night and just look at the view all the time. Next comes the Cliffy's Cafe. Now, if you're a South Indian or prefer South Indian cuisine, this cafe is the one I would recommend you to go to. This is in Palampur. It's slightly away from Dharamshala, but it's worth the ride. As you can see, even in the city, they have found this very unique location, which, to be honest, I haven't seen such kind of an isolated place in the market area before. But this can work very well. They have their own twists on different kind of cuisines of South Indian, but all of them were very nice, and I'm sure you would have a very good time in such kind of a natural environment. Now, this is a place which I recommend every single person to go to, which is the Kangra Museum. A lot of people don't know about Kangra, even though they have gone to Himachal, I don't know how many times. But the Kangra Museum shows you the Kangra Fort as well, which is supposed to be the oldest fort in India. That's right. So you can see the rich history, and this is the dham dish, which is like a local cuisine. I definitely recommend you to try it. And of course, with a view like this, I don't think you will be complaining. And last but not the least, I just had to put it here. This is not technically a cafe. It is only available for people who are living in the Udichi huts. But this view is one of the most amazing views I've seen from a resident standpoint, that if you want to stay somewhere and want a breathtaking view, nothing gets better than this. So guys, this was my list of the best cafes I've been to in and around Dharamshala. Of course, a few things you need to keep in mind is understand that the weather is not good at the moment where I'm recording this. Of course, check the weather, check the locations. If there is a dangerous weather or a potential of a landslide, do not go to that place. These videos were filmed before that, so that even I was able to keep myself safe. Next thing is, while traveling, always keep protection around, and the kind of protection I'm talking about, I think you understand. Of course, you need the mask and everything. Do not spread virus among the locals, and don't ruin the experience for everybody. Travel is not banned and travel is not bad. Till you do it responsibly, it's of course the best thing in the world. But make sure that you do it. So anyway guys, this was my compilation. Do let me know what you thought about this and what would you rate this, and if you disagree, I would love to know why so. And soon I will be posting more videos. I'm sorry I got caught up in some work, but now I'll try to do better. Alright guys, thank you for supporting as always. Do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.